Hi, welcome to the coffee chat with Ange this morning. I am really energized, I have to say, this morning. I've had a brilliant morning. And the reason being is I've been working on a copywriting project that is different from a lot of the projects I've been working on because it combines copywriting with branding, partly personal branding, partly corporate branding. But it's really coming out with a reinvention of a brand for a customer. And I'm just absolutely loving the idea as we're brainstorming ideas. All these fantastic things are coming up. And I am so excited to get this brand launched. I'm really excited for the customer because this is going to be absolutely epic. I love the whole messaging. It really speaks to me. And it's just brought something to life in me today that has been missing for a long time. To be able to work on this kind of project, this is what feeds my soul, just the creativity of it, and when you know that you've got the right messaging, when you know that you've really hit the mark and that this is it and this is what people need to hear and they're gonna soak it up. It's just so exciting. And it's also interesting, exciting to be working partly with ChatGPT as well. So I've been putting things, brainstorming with ChatGPT all morning and coming out with these things. And it really shows the power of the collaboration between AI and the human mind and the human creativity. And it also showcased the strengths of AI tools for writing and for coming up with all of these creative phrases like that. But it also shows its limitations. So it came up with some things that was like, are you on a different planet? There's no way. What are you thinking when you're suggesting this? And pointing that out to ChatGPT and it saying, oh, sorry, yeah, you're right. That didn't make any sense. But then it comes up with some brilliant stuff as well. And then once it comes up with something, then I get an idea. Oh, how about we do this? Give me something along this line. And then ChatGPT was going, oh, that's a great idea. And it went on like that. And so it became a part brainstorming, getting things out. Whatever came out would spur something else. Something else would come up from it. And there was loads of ideas. And then we could cut down those ideas to a few. And then that's what we're going to present to the client. And it's not just the copywriting part as well. I can see when I get into these projects like this, I can see in my mind what the finished product is going to be like. I can see the colors, I can see the designs, I can see how I would design it. Obviously, that I'd be working hand in hand with their designer to get this done. But I'm really excited to see this out on the streets where it's going to be marketed. I'm excited to see how people will react to it. And also know that this hasn't been done before in this way for this type of business. So I'm really excited to see the finished project and I'm really proud to be part of it. And this has just lightened my day today. It's lightened my week. It's lightened my month, actually. This is what I should be doing. This is really working on branding and helping to create a new brand that from where there was nothing before, or there was something that was completely different. Now the client's going in a completely different direction, and it's just allowed so much more creativity to come through as a result of that. So I'm getting on with the rest of my day. I'm now going off for a meeting for book writing, and I'll see what comes up from that as well. All right. So enjoy your day, and I'm moving on with mine. See you next time.